Good morning students. Hope you all are doing good. Today we will start with geography. Cartography and the study of maps is our first chapter. Now let us discuss the name of our chapter, Study of Maps. You all have seen maps. There are different types of maps which we will discuss later. When we are studying about these maps, it is called cartography. So, we can conclude that the study of maps is known as cartography, and the person who studies maps is a cartographer. Now, when we are talking about study of maps, what all things are needed to study a map? We should know about direction, symbols and scale. Let us start with direction. There are some questions which we can answer anytime without anyone's help, such as which direction sun rises, how many directions are there, etc. If we know one direction, it will be very easy for us to know about the other directions. For example, if we stand facing sun, when it rises, the direction in front of us is east. Behind us is west. Our left hand side will be north and our right hand side will be south. Good. Let us take another example. If we are standing facing a map, the north is at the top, the south is at the bottom, the east to your right and the west to your left. So there are four main directions: north, south, east and west. Now in this picture you can see some more directions. The direction between the four cardinal directions are called the direction between north and east, northeast, the direction between east and south, southeast, the direction between west and south will be southwest, and the direction between north and west will be northwest. Now this is all about direction. Now if I will ask in which direction is your television kept or in which direction is your friend's house, I hope you can easily find it out. The things which help us in finding the directions are compass, pole star, sun, magnetic needle, etc. So we will move on to the next thing which we have to learn is about symbols. We cannot show the actual size or shape of houses, roads, railway tracks, trees, etc. in a map. That's why we use images, colors, alphabets, lines, etc. to depict them. Using symbols make it easier to study these features. We use different symbols in different kinds of maps. The person who draws a map means the cartographer uses standard symbol and scale to depict various features in the map. This is to ensure that everyone who reads the map should understand it exactly what the cartographer wants to show. Now, there is an international agreement that all countries in the world will use the same symbols when drawing the maps, because every person, the common man, students and the researcher should equally understand what the symbols actually means. You may have seen certain symbols in your own city, such as symbols of parks, school, religious places, traffic symbols, etc. Next, we have to learn about scale. We all know that our India is the 7th largest country in the world and our Chhattisgarh is the 9th largest state. But we cannot show our state or India in the same shape or size in a map. A map shows a portion of the earth in a very small size of paper, and to know the actual distance between two places we use scale. Scale can be stated in three ways: word statement, linear scale statement and representative fraction. In word statement we can show the measurement as 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. In linear scale, we can show the same measurement in ratios, and in representative fraction, we can show the measurement in fraction system, that is 1:20, 1/20 is equal to 1 centimeter. To calculate all this, we have to take a quick revision of maths measurement, ratios, fractions, etc. So students, I have completed direction, scale and symbols. If you have any doubts regarding to these topics, you may contact me. Have a nice day.